चलिए हम लोग पार्ट 7 देखते हैं। बिहार इंटर लेवल एग्जामिनेशन का हम लोग को जनरल स्टडीज 50 क्वेश्चन करना था। पार्ट 7 देखेंगे 31 to 35 क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31। हु डिड द फर्स्ट इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ अभिजानम शकुंतलम? जॉन निकोलसन। क्या पूछ रहा है? हु डिड द फर्स्ट इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ अभिजानम शकुंतलम? जॉन निकोलसन ने किया था। Abhijanam Shakuntalam was the first Indian drama to be translated into a Western language by William Jones Nicholson in 1789. Kalidas is one of the greatest classical Sanskrit poets and dramatists of ancient India. His writings reveal that he was a pious Brahman of Ujjain and had acquired a knowledge of the various branches of Brahmanical learning. His poetic talent is very well reflected in all his works, which are Mala Vikagni Mitra, Vikramorvasya, Abhijanam Shakuntalam, and poems like Raghuvamsam, कुमार संभव एंड मेघदूता। ये सब किनकी रचना है? ये सब कालिदास की रचना है। माला विकाग्नि मित्रम, विक्रमोर्वस्या, अभिजानम शकुंतलम एंड पोएम्स रघुवंशा, कुमार संभव एंड मेघदूता। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 32। Who was the last viceroy during British rule in India? Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten. The last viceroy during British rule in India was Lord Mountbatten. His tenure lasted between 1947 and 1948. Lord Mountbatten brought forward the date of the partition from June 1948 to 15 August 1947. Mountbatten remained in New Delhi for 10 months after independence and served as the first Governor General of an independent India until June 1948. In 1948, C. Rajagopalachari became the only Indian Governor General. Wavell. Wavell was a senior officer of the British Army and served as the Viceroy of India from 1943 to 1947. Lord Irwin. Lord Irwin was the Viceroy of British India from 3 April 1926 to 18 April 1931. Lord Minto. Lord Minto served as the Viceroy of India from 1905 to 1910. Clear? Next. Question number 33. When did Champaran Satyagraha start? 1917. The correct answer is 1917. Champaran Satyagraha 1917 was the first satyagraha started in Champaran, Bihar. The issue was indigo cultivation under the Tinkathia system, 3 by 20th of the total land. Gandhiji convinced the authorities to end the system. Demand was accepted and 25% compensation was given. Next, question number 34. Who started the National Herald newspaper? Jawaharlal Nehru. National Herald. The National Herald was a newspaper founded by Jawaharlal Nehru along with the freedom fighters in 1938. National Herald was meant to voice the concerns of the liberal brigade in the Indian National Congress. Published by Associated Journals Limited, this newspaper became a mouthpiece of the Congress Party after independence. The Associated Journals Limited was incorporated as a public limited company on 20 November 1937 under the Indian Companies Act 1913 for the purpose of publication of newspapers in different languages. It started publishing newspapers such as National Herald in English, Naujivan in Hindi, and Qawmi Awaz in Urdu. Associated Journals Limited was banned by the British government in 1942 during the Quit India movement. In 2008, the paper closed down with a debt of over 90 crore. Clear? Next. National Herald newspaper closed down with a debt of 90 crore. Next. Question number 35. Who was Megasthenes during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya? Ambassador. Megasthenes, Greek historian, diplomat, and explorer. Megasthenes lived in the Hellenistic era, 350 to 290 BC. Megasthenes has been sent as an ambassador to Chandragupta Maurya's court by Seleucus first Nicator, the Greek conqueror of West Asia. India is described in the book Indica by Megasthenes. The term father of Indian history refers to Megasthenes because he was the first to depict ancient India. The two main rivers, Sindhu and Ganga, are also described by Megasthenes. The Mauryan capital Patliputra was visited by Megasthenes. Megasthenes gives a thorough description of the rivers of the Punjab region in northwest India. Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya became king when he was 25 years old. Chandragupta Maurya defeated the Nandas and established the Mauryan Empire. In 322 BC, Chandragupta Maurya defeated the final Nanda emperor Dhananand and took control of Patliputra. A wise man by the name of Chanakya या Kautilya supported Chandragupta Maurya. Seleucus Nicator was defeated by Chandragupta Maurya in 305 BC. During Chandragupta Maurya's rule, all of northern India was united. Clear? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.